Get ready for meditation. Choose a comfortable sitting posture, Padmasana or Vajrasana. Keep the spine up, chin parallel to the floor, both hands in Chin Mudra, or you can place your left palm on your left lap and the right palm on top of the left palm. Fingers are naturally curled. Close your eyes. Be aware of your body, starting from the legs, moving the awareness towards the head, and make sure you are comfortable and completely relaxed. Shoulders, neck, head are relaxed. All the facial muscles are relaxed. Small smile will naturally relax all the facial muscles. Focus on your breathing and be aware of every breath. As you inhale and exhale, be aware of the abdomen moving in and out. Expand your abdomen as you inhale and contract as you exhale. With each inhalation, feel the cool air entering the nostril, and with each exhalation, feel the warm air leaving. Keep the breathing rhythmic and stay connected through the breath. Focus between the eyebrows or the heart region wherever you are comfortable. Once you fix the focal point, do not change the focal point. After every few breaths, you will see that the mind is wandering. Bring it back to the breathing and the focal point. Try not to pay attention to the thoughts. Keep the breathing as the base and slowly and steadily take the mind back to the breath. Continue this process for the next 3 to 4 minutes. Om. 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 Slowly and gently open your eyes. You can slowly increase the time of meditation to 10, 15, 30, and even 1 hour.